Nate. Just got home from work. Got my self-stirring mug. You can see I've got coffee brewing. Sorry, nobody else is here, so you get shaky cam. Put in a little bit of cream. It's a big glass, so a little bit extra sugar. Pour. Here it goes. The self-stirring mug. Takes it a while to get going because it's got such a small little spinner on the inside, but it does work. Okay, now the moment of truth. Hold on. Stirred it up perfectly. Thank you very much, buddy. Talk to you soon. Love you.